guys, what is going on today? I know it's super late. Josue, say what's up to that vlog. Excited about the is300. We're going to be changing the techometer light bulbs. So instead of it being that nasty orange, it's gonna be blue. So it's gonna look so beautiful before, but it should be pretty easy, straightforward. And he's still on the phone. But when he's out of the phone, then we're gonna explain how to do this. Okay, Josue, so tell him what we're doing and tell him how many bolts we have to take off to...
There's 3 bolts.
So these are the 3 bolts. No, screws.
Screws. Okay.
We took off, there's one here, where?
There's 2.
Okay, so there's 2 up here.
There's 3 down here.
There's those 2 and there's 5 together?
No, there's 2.
Okay, there's 2 on the top and then there's 3 in the bottom.
There's
I'll go
1.
to the other side. Oh, 1 in the bottom? So there's 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. Get that with a cross screwdriver. Right. And right there. And then that should come off. This cover should come off pretty straightforward.
There's 1 sensor right here.
And there's the next. Oh, I see it right there. Do not break this. Actually, let's put this on the back. So there's 2 on the bottom and then there's 1 on top. And then there should be some more sensors in the back after this too. By the way, this is the quad. We're painting the rims black because they were like this silver Metallica color. The ITP's lighter, so it's gonna be a lot better for this Polaris. It's actually pretty quick for what it is.
How many sensors do you see?
There's 2. I think I saw 2 back there. Yeah, there is.
Okay, there's 2.
Yeah, I think there's 2. Back ones were actually easier to take off than that other smaller one than this one right here. So we got the directions on it. We'll go inside the studio. We're gonna read up on these directions. So basically the 5 that we have to replace is this one, this one, this one. I think it's this one, right? The blue. And that one right there. You just follow through it. And so when we take it off, here's the aftermarket LED. It doesn't fit. Have you noticed that? See, it doesn't fit on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off and we're gonna put it in here. So we'll take that one off and then we'll show you how. Yeah.
Cool.
Snap. It's that straightforward.
Put it in.
That easy to do. We're just going to go ahead and do it, and then when we're done, we'll show you the finished product.
So easy.
Super easy. Alright, so we're done. Took about maybe around 10 minutes or so. And so the next thing we do, before we put everything on there together, yeah, we're just gonna connect the main sensors to make sure that they work. And if not, we could always turn them again and just make sure they're connected really good, because sometimes they might get loose or they just didn't get a good connection or good ground. So you just have to play with it. I'm gonna check up on the rims because I'm also painting the rim on the quad over here. So it's already been about maybe 20 minutes, so it's ready for the next coat. The battery died, so we had to push start it. We got good luck with the second time. So thanks to Josue, and you did it by yourself. We were at Six Flags, the battery died, and 3 of us couldn't get this car push started. And Josue basically did it by himself. And then our rim is still drying, so should be another 20 minutes before we get that on. So Josue can test drive it because he never has driven a quad. But today is gonna be his first. Next day, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. We couldn't finish the video yesterday because we were running late already. We made it late to the soccer game, really good game. I posted up on my Instagram stories, so if you guys don't have me, add me on it and DM me if you guys need parts. So it just came out so good. It's just, wow, unbelievable. When you're taking out the old ones, because you're gonna need the to use the old sockets again, when you are taking them out, make sure you don't break them because they can get stuck and it's a whole mess. Just take your time when you're doing it. You might need a needle nose pliers. That helped us for sure. But that's it for this video, guys. You guys know what's up. If you haven't already, find me on the Instagram. I have it on the link below. If you need car parts for your is300, then let us know. We can find it for you. And check out our website. We can hook you up on that for sure. But till next video, guys, we'll catch you guys later. Bye. I lost my thought. What was I gonna say? You know, we're gonna be doing some drifting, some donuts. We're gonna be smashing on this thing and that you don't break. Hold on, it's kind of dirty.